Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy your Shopify store's URL. This is helpful for sharing your store's link or directing traffic to your site. So let's get started. Now to locate your store's URL, log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser, then go to shopify.com. Access your account by using your account's credentials, then log in. After logging in, and once on the main dashboard, you'll see your store's URL displayed at the top, typically formatted as storename.myshopify.com, unless you've added a custom domain. You can also click on the search bar and search for URL and click on customer accounts URL and you'll find it here. Now to copy and share, simply highlight your store's URL just like this. Select the URL, highlight it, then right click on it and select copy the link. Then you can pass this URL wherever you need, whether it's for marketing, social media, or direct customer inquiries. Now, to make your URL more professional, you can purchase a custom domain through Shopify by going to Settings, then Domain, and clicking Buy New Domain. Or you can search it in the search bar here for easier access and click on Buy a Domain. You can search for the domain and type it here. Now, once purchased, your custom domain can be used in place of the myshopify.com link. And that's it. You now have your Shopify store URL copied and ready to share. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions, leave them below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.